Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kuble ye phi baro gini kilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Umentri rangba ka jila Meghalaya u Conrad ki sangma. Ha kasni balang ulakran shai halor ki mat ki beyadei bat karoi ka par ha sor shilong. Kamtam e ban pelat naga jingtheng kali bat jingkhap ngia ka sorkar ka thmu ban pen keluit. Ula ong ba ka sorkar kala penmi tender babun benta kum habari point but hamok dog viewpoint. Nre kasian ka baning kong om shimladan ki ba apply shibun. Namar ba ki design ki bala bu ki long ki ba kham e but kham perkhat sani. Ngila ai tender bun benta nre ki khindiat genta baning kong om dan manu bawan kadaw ka day namar ba ki design ki long ki ba kham modern but kham e. Om kum karukom ba jule man kapor la ong ukonran. Ulo ong ba mentalas dang biang da kasin ka ba ar ba kajingwan kershan na gibriu badan sam na keleng kari kala nangkiu. Menta gibriu ba start bar ki batip bhag las dang banwan bar ki atre lang bar ki contractor jungi ha Meghalaya. Kani kadi kajing kala ka babha ula banram. Ula ban juru ba ki contractor na jila ki di ban penslur ban kiu shaprang bar ka sorkar ka kwaru ba ki nong train na bar ki ai jingtip bat jing start ha ka technology bat design. Habaya day baka jing khanglat jingyat kali hasor ulo ong baka sorkar kalale bun kilat kum ka jing penklan ya ki jaka yeng ka jing pelong kendon halor ki jaka banya bat ban pelong kat tu kat ne ki jaka kum ki no exit zone henry ula penshai baki ne ki long tang kilat shipor artli kilat ki bashisha ban penbet ya kene kamat kalong ka wei ban penkenria ya ki office bat ki jaka tre jong ka sorkar na ka sar bar ka baar ban penbha shu ecosystem public transport kani kadai ka bangi pet kum ka thong ka bahe tam laong umentri rangba. Ula kadawru ba ka plan ban penkria ki office sorkar na secretariat sya ka jaka bathamai kala banong ka game changer ka bahe tam. Ladangila ban penkria ya ka secretariat ka jaka bangi yo na ka tikathan kan ailat yangi ban penyar ya ki surok wala datang da san ne shipho meter ngila ru ban shna surok ya ki nong ya da cycle ula ong. Ula penpau bah kapor ba onte ki project kum kitei on semi shibun ki jing e ha ki surok bar ka traffic congestion. Henry ula khmi lenti bahadien kanong ka jing mentoi ka bashisha ha ga ban pen bah ya karoi ka par hasor. Kadon bun ki jing e ba jing terwa ki bang ya kendu Henry da ka plan bangi don menta ngan khmi lenti bangila ban wanra e karoi ka par ka bakrau ka tu kapor kan shimpor Henry kila temporary ngilas dang. Ki parking lot kilas dang bantay ki kendonnya kali lapen klan ha ki benta ba pher katu kat ne ki trekam katu kat ne kim trekam henrengi hab ban beteng ban persyang lapen kot u Conrad ki sangma.
This is something I think you should all know. So we have tendered out many locations, including the Barik Point as well as the Mokodok, what do you call that, viewpoint. So we have done a large number of them. The designs are very, very modern, and we had tendered them out, but we didn't get any bidders in the first two rounds because I think the technical specifications are quite complicated, where large number of our people could not bid, or they found maybe the rates not competitive enough, or whatever it is. So we went again for the bidding. So I'm hopeful that we will get some bidders in the second round. Similarly, we had a problem in the polo market also. We thought that it will be good to have one particular person run the entire place. So we bid it because it's easy for the government to handle one person than to handle 20 or 100 different tenants. So we went for the bidding, but nobody bid for that also. So then we had no choice. Now we're breaking it down and coming up with smaller bids, maybe floor wise, maybe shop wise. We don't know. Let's see. Similarly, as I said, for Barik also, now we've gone for the second round of bidding. Hopefully we'll get some people. So we're facing challenges because as I said, these designs are quite modern, quite different from the normal designs we have. So it may take some time, but I think now people are coming forward. They're partnering with good people from the rest of the country, bringing in expertise from the rest of the country. And I think it's good. It's important that while our local contractors also should move forward, the technology and the design and the competence, not competence as such, are people also competent, but the overall technical competency can also go up. So we are finding good people, number of people now coming in from partnering with our local agencies and coming in and wanting to bid for these projects.
Can we
Look at traffic issues for Shillong. We can have temporary, short-term small time measures that we could do. Like we could, have stricter parking rules. We could have parking lots being made. We can make certain areas no entry, no exit kind of a thing. But those are all temporary measures. Ultimately, the only two ways to permanently resolve a problem is to really shift the congestion out of the city. And number two is to improve the overall public transport system. And these are the two really major solutions that can bring permanent decongestion to Shillong city. So therefore, the project for the secretariat and administrative city being shifted out of the existing city is something that we feel can be a major game changer, and it will be. So you can imagine that once the secretariat is shifted, we'll have the space in front of us. We'll be able to expand the road, if not much, by at least about 5 meters, 10 meters. We can create some cycling tracks, some walking space for the people. A very, very important project for me, which is still, something that I've been wanting to do for so long, is is a skywalk from Barik to PB. We were all ready with the funds, design, everything, and we're about to tender out. And then we get a report from the police department that the 1 year period when you're going to construct this is going to be a major, major congestion where there's going to be huge traffic problems all the way from Barik all the way to PB because you'll be doing the construction of these skywalks out there. And obviously that became a major deterrent for us. So we were like, now what? So then we had to kind of put the project on hold. So we are hoping that once we shift this secretariat out and once we can expand the space, then we can use this for the skywalk to be built up. So there are a lot of challenges we face, but I'm hoping that with the plan that we have, we'll be able to achieve a large amount of decongestion in city. It will take time. Temporary measures are already being implemented. The parking lots are being made. Parking rules are being made more stringent. Different places we are creating for walking space. We've tried it. Some worked, some did not work. But I guess we have to keep trying and testing and seeing how things move forward.
When this